Today we will discuss few concepts regarding the role of teachers. Actually, teacher is a model to the society. He should appear in good dress, means dress code is also effective in the classroom or in the society. He should have good subject content, have creativity, dedication in nature. Student is the center of attraction to the teacher, means whenever the teacher is imparting education, it should be covered. Student should be covered. Teacher should think that every student in the class is his own child or his own child. The teacher should teach content from known to unknown, simple to complex. For example, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 is the known concept. By taking the example of known concept, the teacher should try to teach unknown content, that is 20 plus 30 is equal to 50. If the student is able to tell the result, then the teacher is successful. He should explain the concepts by giving examples from daily life, day-to-day life. It is most essential to take the examples, and it should be remembered by longer time by the student. Teacher should study psychology of his student or her student. Means simply I am going to the class, entering into the class and using the chalk piece of chalk and blackboard and completing my lesson is the not criteria. So whenever the student psychology or family background, social status, economical conditions and health conditions also, it should be known by the teacher. If teacher knows all these phenomena, all these factors, then the teacher is successful, and accordingly the teacher should change the teaching activity. And moreover, teacher should call all the students by name, affectionately, that is also affectionately. Mr. Ramesh, what are you doing? How are you? Mr. Ramesh, have you noted down the notes? Mr. Ramesh, what is the difficulty to you? So for all corners of the students, the teacher should ask the questions, and that too by name he should call the students. Motivate the student to learn for his own development. So syllabus is not criteria, unit plan is not criteria, year plan is not criteria, but motivation. Why this content, why this lesson, why this subject is to be learnt by the student should be explained by the teacher from time to time, which leads to the national development and national integration also. So national integration is not a big thing. If student develops, if his family develops, if his village develops, if area develops, the country develops, the total concept will be covered. That is national development. Person develops means national also under development. The teacher knows the time management. Then only he attends the institution for the prayer and takes the class in time and completes the syllabus in time. Whenever the unit test is also, then he prepares the students. So time management is actually perfectly known by the teacher, but the same thing should be inculcated and developed in the students. So discipline also, punctuality also, do's and do nots also, the teacher knows. If the teacher inject these concepts accordingly in the young blood of new generation, or that is we say future generation, it will be most fruitful of the teacher. As soon as the teacher enters into the classroom, the teacher should motivate or recapitulate and present the lesson in the pleasant manner. Then only it will be more effective. Remember your favorite, beloved, best teacher of your own school time and try to imitate that teacher in your teaching profession. Like this, if the teacher is successful, the classroom is successful, the classroom teaching is all-round development in the society. Thank you very much.